This is Abdul Kalam. Today we are going to see some shortcuts in a right angle triangle. Okay, in a right angle triangle, just you observe whenever a question is given like this. Okay, just please observe if a question is given like this. For example, the base is given as 1 and the hypotenuse is given as 2. If the base is 1 and the hypotenuse 2, so what can we do here is just you can observe here it is double. Okay, what you can observe here is the base and hypotenuse are double. Now the question is find x. Okay, let us find x. How to find the x? We can apply Pythagoras theorem. So x equal to square root of 2 square minus 1 square. So x equal to square root of 2 square minus 1 square. Okay, so x equal to square root of 2 square minus 1 square. 2 square is 4 minus 1 square is 1. 4 minus 1 3. So x equal to square root of 3. Okay, x equal to square root of 3. X equal to square root of 3. Okay, clear? Okay, let us move on to the next question. Let me go to the second question and let me come to the shortcut later. Now I have taken another example, which is a right angle triangle, right angle at base. Okay, 90 degree at the base and perpendicular height. 4 is the hypotenuse, 2 is the base and x is the perpendicular height. 4 is the hypotenuse. Now base is 2, hypotenuse is 4. So you can understand that this hypotenuse is double than the base. So today we are going to see only the cases where hypotenuse is double than the base. Okay, now if you take this, again what is x now? X equal to square root of what is square root of 4 square minus 2 square, right? 4 square minus 2 square. So what is 4 square? 4 square is 16. And what is 2 square? 4. 16 minus 4 is 12. But instead of writing 12, we can see what are the numbers can come out of this 12. Okay, so which can come out of the square root. So 12 I can write as square root of 4 into 3. 4 into 3 I can write. So out of 4, 2 can come out because 4 has 2 2's. So x equal to 2 root 3. Okay, x equal to 2 root 3. Clear? Shall we move on to the next question? Okay, then let me erase this. So now what we have learned here is x equal to 2 root 3. I hope now you are getting the idea what I want to tell you. Compare the base and compare the perpendicular height. Let us move on to the next question. Okay, third question. Now here what they have given is base is 3, hypotenuse is 6. So hypotenuse is double than the base. Here again once you solve this, x will be equal to square root of 6 square. X will be equal to square root of 6 square minus 3 square. What is 6 square? 36. What is 3 square? 9. What is 36 minus 9? 27. How can we write this 27? We can write this 27 as 9 into 3. Now out of 9, 1 3 can come out. So now you can understand x equal to 3 root 3. Yes, now you are getting the idea what I want to convey you. So now when the base is 3, the perpendicular height is 3 root 3. Okay, let me go for the next question. Before we go for the next question, let me compare with the previous question. The previous question I had the base 2, I got the perpendicular height 2 root 3. Okay, now in this question I have the base 3 and the perpendicular height 3 root 3. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Here also I am taking the example of a right angle triangle. The shortcut applies only on right angle triangle. One of the condition is right angle triangle. Second condition is hypotenuse should be double than the base. Okay, now the hypotenuse is double than the base. The hypotenuse is 8 and base is 4. I hope now you have got the shortcut. So what will be x? X is equal to 4 root 3. X equal to 4 root 3 because the base multiplied by root 3. So 4 root 3. Shall we go for the next one? Okay, next question. Again I am taking one example where hypotenuse is 10, base is 5. Hypotenuse is 10, base is 5. Now hypotenuse is double than the base. So what will be the value of x will be 5 root 3, x will be 5 root 3, x will be 5 root 3. Okay, just here I want to write here. So x will be 5 root 3. Okay, clear? Are you clear with this simple question? Okay, what is the simple concept? The base multiplied by root 3 will be the perpendicular height. What is the only one condition? So the hypotenuse should be double than the base. Hypotenuse should be double than the base. So now this will be 5 root 3. You can check it out. I am not working out what is x. X is equal to 10 square minus 5 square. I am not doing that. Okay, hopefully you can check it out. 10 square is 100. 100 minus 5 square 25. 75 can be written as 25 into 3. Out of 25, 5 into 5, 15 will come out. 3 will be there. So when the base is 5, the perpendicular height will be 5 root 3. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.